Ever wondered how blockchain works? Let's break it down in a simple way. Imagine a digital notebook shared among friends. Each page in this notebook represents a block, and every time someone writes something down, it gets added to the next available page. This is how transactions are recorded on a blockchain. Now, what makes this notebook special? First, it's decentralized. Instead of one person controlling it, everyone has a copy. This means no single point of failure. If one copy gets lost or tampered with, the others remain intact. It's like having a group of friends who all keep their own copies of the same notes. If someone tries to cheat and change their notes, everyone else can see the original version. Next up is transparency. Every time a new page is added, everyone can see it. This openness builds trust among users. When a transaction occurs, it's visible to everyone in the network, making it hard to hide anything. This is why blockchain is often praised for its security and reliability. So, how do these blocks get linked together? Each block contains a unique code called a hash, which is like a digital fingerprint. This hash is created based on the information in the block and the hash of the previous block. This connection forms a chain, hence the name blockchain. If someone tries to change a block, the hash changes, breaking the chain. This makes tampering nearly impossible. Now, let's talk about miners. No, not the gold-digging kind. In the blockchain world, miners are computers that solve complex math problems to validate transactions. When they solve these problems, they add new blocks to the chain and are rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process is called mining, and it's crucial for maintaining the blockchain. Another cool feature of blockchain is smart contracts. Think of them as digital agreements that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. For example, if you want to buy a car, a smart contract could automatically transfer ownership once payment is made. This eliminates the need for middlemen and speeds up transactions. In summary, blockchain is a decentralized, transparent, and secure way to record transactions. It connects blocks of information using unique hashes, making it nearly impossible to alter past records. With miners validating transactions and smart contracts automating processes, blockchain technology is changing the way people think about trust and security in the digital age. It's not just a buzzword. It's a game changer for various industries. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.